Yo, YouTube. Ooh. I don't know how to do an intro no more. What's going on, y'all? I'm on my way to school. I got a test today. Big day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man, I got a test today, man. I'm kind of stressing, but you know, we ball. We gonna see what happens. Have I studied? Not really, but you know, it's an open note test, so it shouldn't be too bad. And we could take it over and over. It's AC for like heavy trucks, and like if you drive trucks, or you know, if you have a CDL, you know what a reefer is. It's basically a license to be able to work on reefers. So yeah, I got that today. Yeah, man, another POV. I need an exhaust, man. My videos are like mad. Like sometimes I don't talk. I talk a lot and then I don't talk a lot. And the times I don't talk a lot, the videos be mad quiet because I got no exhaust. It's just like, you know? Yeah, man. I got this rag to be cleaning my car. I don't know if y'all do the same. Just got a rag around it, clean your car. I'm probably gonna pass by Smoothie King before I go to school because I am. Bro, I've been spending money today. I ate out today in the morning. I ate out for lunch, and now I'm getting Smoothie King. Yeah, I got something in my eye. But yeah, man, weather's crazy right now. It was raining. It was pouring yesterday. Now it's hot. There you guys. Oh my gosh, look, Smoothie King. I'm healthy now, man. Trying to lose calories. Not bad. Bro, this is so good. I could really make this at home. What is this, banana, strawberry? Bro, this is a small. Imagine like a medium and large, bro. This is why I got small. Because they be doing some big, fat sizes. Bro, this is mad good. My god, bro, I'm gonna be sucking on half the video. Ooh, was that a LC 500? I think it's sexy, bro. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm just not looking at it. I don't know if y'all can see it. Bro, like I'm telling you, he has that thing spec'd out. The one I got, this one's called Angel Food. I guess it's like the most bought. It's gas. I like it. Ouch. What? Yo, I don't know. Out of like all the bigger SUVs, I think I like the Trailblazer. I don't like the Denali. What other one? Tahoe. Like, yeah, what other one? But my favorite, I like the Trailblazer. That's like mine. Yeah, just sick. I need to use my phone, dude. I got no charge. How am I gonna cheat? Oh, my good knees. Damn, bro, we about to hit 75,000 miles. Cooked, bro. I had to look at myself in the mirror. Bro, those tellers are so sick. They literally look like they're going in.